What's your name?
Cody Lee Jolly.
Um,
There was no counsel appointed.
how did that happen?
I was represent myself.
You're going to represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what do you want to do today?
Is this pretrial?
This is one of those courtroom moments where you can't decide whether to laugh or hide behind your hands. Cody J.W. walks in full of confidence, ready to represent himself. But within minutes, it's painfully obvious he has no clue what he's doing. It's like watching someone volunteer to fly a plane just because they once watched a YouTube tutorial on it.
Probable cause conference. That concerns me if you don't know that and they're going to represent
Yeah, I'm
yourself.
going to plead not guilty.
Okay, you already entered a plea. What are you going to do with the hearing?
The hearing today?
Yes.
I'm just going to plead not guilty.
Okay, that's you've done that.
Right.
So what do you want to do with this case?
I mean, it's up to you. I'm not understanding what.
No, you're not. It's not up to me.
Pleading not
Tell me
guilty.
what you want to do.
Pretrial.
Pardon?
My hope was to take it to pretrial.
Well, the next stage would be a preliminary examination. Is that what you want?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know what that is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
The preliminary hearing?
Yeah.
It's another case similar to this, and there's other options. I'm seeking discovery.
You can almost feel the judge's patience wearing thin. Cody keeps insisting he's pleading not guilty, even though that's not what this hearing is about. The sad part is, he genuinely believes he's in control. But courtrooms don't reward confidence. They demand competence. And in criminal law, not knowing the difference can literally cost you your freedom.
Oh,
for trial. For trial, right?
Is there a reason you don't want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes,
because
Your Honor.
I see this thing getting south real fast.
I've represented myself before, and I prefer.
Have you requested discovery?
I have not.
Why not? You're here at probable cause conference. Why haven't you requested discovery?
For me, there was no issue. There was no conflict. There's no case. There's no case whatsoever.
You requested discovery. You know what discovery is?
Can I request?
Do you know what discovery is?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is
all the evidence in the case?
Okay, have you requested that from the people?
I have not.
Then how do you know there's nothing there? You're gonna have to do it in your own way to request it. I mean, I can't help you through this process.
Would you like it by mail?
Represent yourself.
I'd like to represent myself.
Then you're gonna have to request discovery.
Do you want me to request discovery?
I don't care what you do. I'm just telling you, if you're gonna represent yourself, you're going to need to request discovery. You haven't even requested discovery.
I currently am right now. If you'd rather me do it by mail, I can do it by mail.
Well, there's a way in which you do it.
You got to file it to the circuit, to the circuit court, through the prosecutor,
for Pete's sakes.
And also to the
DES. That is.
Things really take a turn when the judge brings up discovery. The evidence against him. Cody's response? There's no case. That's not boldness. That's pure delusion. You can read the disbelief right on the judge's face. It's a look of someone watching a man walk blindly into a legal minefield.
Honor, and just for the record, so that defendant is aware, he is charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual conduct. That is a high court misdemeanor, punishable by up to 2 years and or $500.
You understand that, sir, right? Yeah, let's not set it for freedom. Do you know how to, you don't even know how to go about getting the discovery on this case, do you? Do you want to talk to somebody about how to try to get your discovery on it?
I can honestly do it myself. If you'd like me to discover, I can file for discovery.
You don't even know how to do you know what you do to get discovery?
Before, usually when I file by mail or in front of the judge, or I request it.
Okay, I'm trying to offer you somebody to talk to so they can show you how to get your discovery. Would you like?
Then comes a shocker. 2 counts of criminal sexual conduct. Most people would freeze hearing charges that serious, but Cody just shrugs and says, yeah, I do. The courtroom goes still. It's as if he doesn't grasp how grave this is. This isn't some parking violation. It's a life-changing accusation.
On getting your discovery, because you file a motion and you haven't requested it as a prosecutor, I'm not granting. You're going to be wasting everybody's time.
Okay, so if you don't accept it by mail or in front of you, in what way would you prefer me to file? Every judge is different, so.
No, every judge in this county isn't different. Welcome to Washington.
I've been in Washington.
Would you like somebody to help you at least tell you how to get discovery in this case?
If someone wants to tell me, that'd be great, but I still prefer to represent myself.
I don't care if you represent yourself.
What's wrong?
I'm asking you because you have no discovery. You're going to walk into a preliminary examination,
Yes, if you
and it's going to be a problem.
right. If you prefer it to be,
I don't
a motion to be
care.
filed
I'm not.
differently,
It's
then
not an
so be it.
issue of my preference. I'm trying to get somebody to help you before you become an absolute disaster regarding this case. So I will make the offer again. Would you like to talk to somebody about how to get your discovery?
I would love to talk to him anyway.
Mr. Gaddy, will you please speak with this gentleman about how to get his discovery? I would appreciate it.
When the judge says, "Every judge isn't different. Welcome to Washington," you can feel the exhaustion in her tone. She's not mocking him. She's trying to throw him a lifeline. But Cody keeps rejecting it, caught up in his illusion of control. It's arrogance disguised as confidence, leading him straight towards self-destruction.
I give a new date. Oh, okay. Because it's not going to come back up here before me not to adjourn this matter to March 1st, 2023, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Yes, Your Honor. I have a question for you, and I have a tether that's on that I can't afford. Is there any way that was just because of stipulations of ROR? I'm wondering if it's
To
possible.
remove the tether?
Yes, I'm not a flight risk or anything. I'm just living in town.
Denied.
Yes, wrong.
Thank you.
And just when you think the chaos is done, he asks to have his ankle monitor removed, right after being reminded he's facing sex crime charges. The disconnect is unreal, almost cinematic. The judge simply says, "Denied." And that's it. The whole scene stands as a brutal reminder. Confidence without knowledge isn't power. It's a death sentence in a courtroom.